What if I told you there is this video platform where you do not need a million subscribers to start making money? Yes, you heard me right. You see, there is this video platform where you only need 100 followers to qualify for their partnership program. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stay with me because by the end of this video, your first video would be live on Rumble and you will be one step closer to earning money from your content. Let's get into it. Welcome to Ryan Teaches Tech. I am Ryan, and today I'm going to teach you exactly how to publish a video on Rumble step by step. The right way, right here on my screen. No fluff, no confusion. Just a clean, simple walkthrough that will get your video live today. And before we dive in, here is something most people do not know. Most creators upload to Rumble the wrong way and lose control of their content forever without even realizing it. I am going to make sure that that does not happen to you. So, pay close attention, especially when we get to the licensing section. That is where most beginners make a costly mistake. All right, let's get to business. First, you get to your browser and type rumble.com. Rumble.com. Now I'm already signed into my account on this browser. Is saved, so once I type rumble.com, it brings me to the panel where I can start doing what I want to do. So the first thing is to click on the plus icon in the green camcorder sign near your profile image. Click upload video. A new interface should open to you. Once this new interface opens, click where it is shown select video to upload. You click it to open the folders where you can navigate to your video, or you open the video and drag and drop from the folder. You open the folder and drag and drop from there. So I am bringing it from my folder and I am going to put in the information of the video whilst it is uploading. That is a secret many people do not know. It will save you a lot of time. So the title, how to, usually I would have written all these things and then copy and paste how to upload your first video on Rumble step by step. The description: this is my first video that shows you how to upload videos on Rumble the right way. I think this is enough for now. For the category, because it's a how-to, it's about technology, that is the closest. So for my primary category, I'll select technology. Then for my secondary category, I'll select software. Usually you select what is closest. So once I started typing soft, it populated, I select it. Now, if you don't have a pre-designed thumbnail, after the upload, there will be 3 options given to you by Rumble. But we want to be professional about what we do. So what would I do here? I'll go to choose your own thumbnail, select an image from my images that is for this video in particular. I scroll up the tags, I choose how to, always separate your tags with comma, make money online, comma. I go on to the next one, related video shown. This is for shorts only, so I ignore it. Say upload to. You will see I have two channels here. I have Launchy One and then I have Ryan Teaches Tech. I'll tell you a story about Launchy One in another video. So Ryan Teaches Tech is the selected channel I'm using. Then I come to set this channel as the default because always that's where I'll be using. Feature video on the top of your profile, I'll leave that. Feature video on the top of your channel, I'll leave that as well. I already have a video for those purposes. Now you'll see visibility. We have public, unlisted, and private. Public means anyone can view the video. Unlisted means only people with the link can view this video. And then private means only you can view the video. I'm going to select private for now because I don't want this video to go live. So I'm selecting private, but remember you have to select public. I'm not scheduling it. And then I'm just going to wait patiently for the upload to hit 100%. Then I'll click on upload to get to the next phase. All right, it's 100% now. So I click upload. Once I click upload, you see there are some tabs here, 4 tabs. Video management, exclusive video management, excluding YouTube, Rumble only, non-exclusive, similar to YouTube, personal use, not monetized, not searchable, available to all your subscribers. Now, video management exclusive means once you click this, you have given Rumble the opportunity to be the owners of the video. You can't edit it, you can't delete it, you can't post it on any other platform. And as a content creator, you need to have the right to your own content. So this is not the option you want to choose. Video management excluding YouTube, which means that Rumble still have some control over this video that you cannot post at certain platforms, but they will share the proceeds from sharing it with you. Then Rumble only means it is non-exclusive. You own 100% rights. You can post the video to any platform in this world or online that you want. Then for personal use is a video that is not monetized. It cannot be searched and it is only available to your subscribers. So if the person is not subscribed, the person cannot see this video, no matter how, even if the person is given a link, the person cannot see it. So ensure to select Rumble only if you are posting to several platforms. If not, select the appropriate one. Remember your content, you own it. Then you come to terms and before terms and condition, additional video information. It is optional. So if you want, you can click on the arrow to the far right and see what you are supposed to do. Who recorded and or appears in this video? You can answer that question. Where was this video recorded? You can answer. Provide either your YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat username. That is, if you have them, you put. It's optional. Then additional syndication options. Now the issues over here is that the categories that you want it to be on YouTube, on any other platform, is what you are going to put here. At your level, this is a bit confusing, so just leave it for now. Go to terms and conditions. First, you have to tick the box that says you have not signed an exclusive agreement with any other parties. What does that mean? You are telling Rumble that just as you don't want them to own your content, no other platform owns your content, so you can post it here. Second, check the box that says check here if you agree to our terms of service. Now take it, meaning you agree to what deal Rambo is giving you, then click on submit. Once you click on submit, your video is uploaded. Now remember, I told you specifically this video is not going to be on my channel for anybody because I set it to private, but for yours, remember to set it to public. Our video is ready, and that is how we upload our video or content on Rumble. I'll see you in the next one. Wait. Before you go, if you are not subscribed, do well to do so right now, because you may not get the opportunity to have other videos that I'll be showing. See you in the next one. Bye bye.